All right, so in a previous video, I showed you how to link two Google Sheets together. We're going to use those same two Google Sheets, and I kind of showed you how to use this formula, the import range. We're going to take that to the next level, and we're going to use the import range in terms of a search function, right? So we're going to use an index match, which is basically kind of an advanced VLOOKUP. And what we're going to do is we're going to search Jackie here, and then we want to display the email here. So basically what you do is you start out with any normal index match function. And so the index, basically the first part is what you want to display. So we want to display this email. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add the import range function. We'll do quote, and then we'll paste the URL there, end quote, comma, and we want it to display basically column D, right? So we'll do quote, test, exclamation, and we'll do D through D quote, all right? So then we'll do comma, and this is where the match part comes in. We'll do match, and we'll actually end the quote there. So we'll do match. First thing we want to do is our search. So we want to search Jackie, so B3. We'll do comma. The range we want to search will be here. So what we're going to do is import range, quote, paste the URL, quote, and this is kind of getting a little messy, obviously, because you have super long text threads or text amounts from the URL, comma, quote, test, exclamation, because that's the sheet or the tab on this sheet that we're referencing. And we'll go B through B, quote, and then we'll end that quotation. And the search type we want to be an exact match, so we'll hit 0. And then we'll hit enter, and that will pop up Jackie's email here. So kind of a convoluted, but really it looks messier than it really is. It's really just an index match function, and the only difference is you need to include this import range whenever you're trying to reference this other sheet. So it does look a little messier. So instead of typically this index would just say DD, right? But instead it says all of this. And similar to the second part of the match function, typically it would just say BB, but we're going to have to put all of that in. But regardless, it'll stay the same. So then we can kind of drag that down, and that formula will copy across from this sheet. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you leave.